Morning guys! I woke up at 8. Tapos, no, 9 pala, 9. Tapos, I called and asked kung until what time yung breakfast sa baba. Until 10. So, right now, it's like 9:30. I have to go down to eat. I had a full sleep and it feels so good. Grabe, as in sobrang nag-relax lang ako. So I'm just walking around this area of the resort because I've never, you know, walked here. Gusto ko lang tumingin kung anong meron. I'm not sure if the beaches are like swimmable kasi parang ang daming, I don't know. Ay, how cute! I've never seen like a goat up close. Baby goat. Ang cute. Hello! Goatie! I got a good amount of sun in my system, so balik tayo ng room. I have to pack and then we're gonna leave by 12 noon. What the F just happened? My goodness. What the? What? Bagong bili ang laptop na yan. Ano yun? Anong problema nun? Done packing, guys. Everything is ready. I decided to wear comfy clothes. Nag-YouTube t-shirt ako and jeans na lang. So, that's it! Goodbye to this hotel room. Ayan, maayos na yung mga gamit ko. Just have to like put my laptop. Tapos, okay na. Look who greeted me. It's Ming Ming. Meow! I have food ready for her na. Bongga. Meow! Come here! Come here! Finally, back in the apartment. Travel was really smooth. Nung pagdating ng Manila, tsaka kami medyo na traffic. So right now, I inopen ko ng aking favorite atomizer. And Mark is already on his way. Sobrang lapit na niya. I just need to get the laundry downstairs. Tapos, yun, kumain na rin si Ming Ming. Now, on our way to SM Manila for dinner with family. Advanced celebration ng birthday ni Papa. Mark's here. Okay. Hi, B. I got a package from L'Oreal.
Okay.
Hi, B. Kamusta ka naman?
Okay lang.
Pumayat si Mark. Love it. Pumayat.
To you, happy birthday. To you, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
So today we are going to start our kilo off journey, and I'm so excited about this because it's only for 20 days. It's a project that I'm doing with Kilo Off, and it's something I'm really excited about. So we have the fitness journal, and inside you can, you know, jot down everything that you eat, including your Kilo Off intake. And of course, we have Delicious Diet for our meal partner for this project. Yay! So I've been on the Delicious Diet meal plan for like over a month now, and I'm loving it. As in, wala akong reklamo. So yeah, we're gonna heat this up and then eat. Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So today we are heading out for a meeting. So I'm just wearing my blazer, a tank top inside, jeans, and some heels from Prism. I'll be posting on OOTD later so that you guys can see much clearly or more clearly kung ano yung itsura ng shoes. So, Uber is on its way. If you haven't tried Uber, please use my code UberSayTyoko. This is my look right now. I'm actually reviewing a face powder from Maybelline. It is called the White Super Fresh. And yeah, everything else is simple. Yeah, bongga. Now riding Uber, guys. So dinala ko yung Delicious Diet lunch ko since I'll have that later on after the meeting. Good thing the meeting venue is right beside the next event for girl stuff. So they are launching their summer collection for the nail polish. So I was able to like remove my nail polish since I think there's gonna be like a nail pampering session later on. I was supposed to go with Joyce, but then again she has like an earlier appointment. Parang ako din. So we decided to meet there na lang, and it's raining. The weather's so weird. Very bipolar. Minsan sobrang init, ngayon naman umuulan ng bongga-bongga. Anyway, the bag I'm using for today is from, I actually forgot, but it's from an online shop, and I'm using the Oh My Bag Fills handle wrap. I'll have the link of this one in the information box if ever you guys are interested in like dressing up your bags. So really awesome yan. What else? Oh, for my eyeshadow today, I use something very neutral, and this is the palette that I got from Swesh, and it is just a very neutral palette. As you can see, I have the dark one, or this one, the cream one, and the chocolate brown one on my crease area, and that's it. Sobrang love ko because it's really matte, and it also comes with a mirror. So if you are like that, you know, everyday makeup kind of girl, you must get this one. Bongga siya. Audrey! Hi, Audrey! Oh, bongga. May shoutout ka ba?
Hey Googlers from the Philippines. I'm not there in the office because I am here with Z, having a lunch game.
Super baby face niya. I love it. Ayun. Kakatapos na ng meeting namin. And I'm about to finish my warm water na hindi na warm. Look at this, guys. Meron silang push button to call server button sa mga table. So parang ngayon hindi kami pinapansin. So we had to click that and then tapos may lalapit na tao sa inyo. Bongga! Now here at Bread Like Bar for the next event. So katabi lang siya ng Copper Roastery. And it took me a while to figure out kung alin yung restroom ng girls because ang weird ng sign. Hindi mo ma-distinguish kung alin yung male sign, alin yung girl sign. So I waited for a person to go out of the restroom para malaman ko kung saan dapat ako pumasok. Anyway, just freshened up. This is my outfit for today. Tapos yung shoes ko, this one. It's the white wedges siya from the Prism PH. And I noticed that one of my, itong lashes ko tanggal. So kailangan i-glue ko siya. Since I'm super early, people are still setting up, which is really okay since I'll be doing work now while I wait. Super bongga na venue, very neon. So they asked for us to wear something bright. So I'm just wearing my red blazer. So okay neon. I think Bea is arriving at 1 o'clock. Yeah, this is my favorite polish from Girl Stuff. It's Manila Girl. Since hindi ako masyado into neon, pero if you are, you know, yung mga gusto niyo mga ganyan, bongga sa beach yan, diba? Pero kasi, love ko talaga ang red. So, I'm sticking with red. Manila Girl. At ito yung, ano nila, nail polish remover. Tapos yung favorite ko na top coat nila, which is super bongga. Kasi, quick dry. As in, pagtapos niyan, bongga. Pwede ka na maglaba, pwede ka na magganyan. So, bongga yan. Magic ba? Or something secret top coat? At try namin i-figure out kung ano bang meron sa top coat na yan. Pero later pa daw. Di ba, Rochelle?
Yeah.
My gosh, Rochelle! Pero medyo gets na namin, di ba? Parang nag-change ng color, girl, no?
Parang naging pink.
Girl, true yan. So, ayun no, pink siya, oh. So, later malalaman natin. Tatap mo doon.
Wala na.
Yan. I borrow, or no, I got the Glow 8-inch eyeglasses. O, diba? Kailangan talagang glow na glow tayo. Bongga. So, and meron akong ears. That's cute, babe! Joy, saan ka na, girl?
Where are you?
Girl! Tapos na, girl! Additional accessory, guys. O, diba? Bongga. going to eat, guys. They have Milo Dinosaur Cheesecake. Oh gosh. Crispy chicken wings, fish and chips, relic nachos, aglio olio, rice. Bongga. Let's eat again, guys. I love it. After we have dessert. Oh, it looks so good. Hi, Joyce! Nasobrahan ka ba sa whitening ng ngipin? Tignan mo, tignan mo.
Ayaw pa.
We have mojito, guys. Bongga. Anong oras pa lang? 3 o'clock pa lang. Stella Rocket from Chubalulabu. Anyway, we're having coffee. Yum. At we're catching up. Daming kwento ang nag-build up. Joyce! Joyce Day!
Hello! Vlogception!
We're done having coffee. Tsaka filled up na yung mga ano namin. Mga piggyback ng kwento. Love it! Joyce Isola! We'll see you again.
Yeah, Friday.
No, bukas. Ano kayo? Bukas, girl. True, baloo.
Kayo magkita.
Ako, Friday. Back in the apartment, guys. We were stuck in traffic for like 2 hours with Joyce. Right now, I'm getting ready to go back home. It's my dad's birthday. We're gonna eat dinner lang sa bahay. So, I'm so excited to see the dogs and the family. Face mask time. Lunch with dinner with family went really good. Now I'm back. Tapos 10 PM na kasi. So, I started my skincare na. Tomorrow na lang ako mag-film ng mga kailangan kong i-film. This is from Leaders in Solution Collagen Lifting Mask. Speaking of Leaders, we have a meeting with them tomorrow, so excited for that. And that's it for today's video. I started my kilo off journey today, guys. So, nire-record ko lang sa vlog para ma-take note nyo or mabalikan nyo yung mga videos. This is a weight loss journey. And today, I took the dietary supplement powder drink from Kilo Off. After breakfast. Tapos ngayon naman, bago matulog, I am going to drink 1 dose of the Kilo Off liquid drink. Ito, yung purple. So, I'm gonna drink that tonight. And this is gonna go on for 20 days. Ito for 8 days lang. So, I'll just, share more about this journey in a video that I'm making for you guys. As in, sobrang whole video siya ng bongga-bongga. Tapos, yun. So, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. Tomorrow, we have a meeting and more stuff to do. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!